Hey, it's Timmy here with Create with Timmy with a brand new project. Today we're creating a beautiful tray using this month's Club Couture Transfer lemonade stand. So as you can see, we are going through the outline of the transfer using our white chalkology paste, adding a few accents along the way. Once we've completely covered the areas that we want in white, we're going to peel back the transfer, let it dry, and then replace it to do the rest of the colors. So I'm using a color combination on the greens to kind of give it a little bit more of a pop. And then we're going to use two colors of yellow, Sunnyside and Bumblebee, to bring the lemons and the word lemonade to life. Once we have spread the chalk paste over those areas, we're going to go ahead and be able to peel back and see our finished design. So here comes the Bumblebee. That's the darker, kind of brighter yellow paste that we have. And here we go.